Example 1, 2, and 3. Five, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, example 1 is Diana, she read 1905 10 English book and 7 French. 96, she say she read twice as much French book than English book. So we say English book is X, then we can write down 2X, 2 times. They say 60% of what she read is French. So we can say 60% of she read is 10 plus 7 plus X plus 2X is French. So French 7 plus 2X plus 2X. Okay? So we're gonna change percentage 1 over 100, 60 times 1 over 100, over means times. Just simplify 10 plus 7 is 17, this plus is 3x is 7 2x, 7 plus 2x. So I just skipped the calculation, x is 16. So she read, how much she read in French? X plus 2x, right? X plus 2x. So 16 plus 2 times 6 is 48 books she read. Okay, example 2. Okay. Thing is, what is AC, length of AC? So given information is OB is R. OB is R right there. OB, this is R. Radius, also OB is R. So this one is the same as this length. So it's so AC equal R. This kind of things, once encounter with this, once you see this, once you solve this one, next time you never forget it. Very natural. Example 3. Okay, circle. This is square is inscribed over there, and this area is 8. What is the radius of this? And what is the area of circle? So this is a square. So this is a 45 degree, right? 45 degree. So this is radius, and OR, length OR is there, so we're going to use a cosine like this. So 45, cosine 45 is first part under, this one is automatically OR upstairs. So we're looking for the OR because this small square is area is 8, so we can find the radius. So OR is R times cosine 45. So R times cosine 45 is 1 over root 2. So this one is R over root 2. So OR is R over root 2. This area is square, so this times this. So R over 2 times R over 2 is 8. They say 8, given information. So from this is a 2. R squared is 8. R is 16. So R is plus minus 4. So we're going to pick just the plus. So radius is 4. So what is the area of this circle? Area of circle is pi r squared. So pi times 4 squared 16 pi. Okay. Number 5. Okay, this is square length over 2, and this is equilateral triangle. So this is a 2. That's going to be a 2. That's going to be a 2. Question is, how can you find the shade area? Okay, our plan is whole area minus a triangle will be shade area, correct? So make sure this is equilateral. So this is 60 degree, right? So we know this one, the length 2. Okay. So we're gonna use. Oops, I made a mistake. This is 2. So this is going to be 1, I guess. So we're going to use the sine. So this length is 1. So sine 60 is like this. So 1 over h. Sorry about that. H over there. So this is 1 over there. So it's going to 2 root 3 over 2. Height is root 3 over 2. So what is the area? Area is half times, oh, this one is right. Half times base over height, base times height. Height is root 3 over 2. So cancel out. Area is root 3 over 2. So this area is 4. 4 minus root 3 over 2. I'm sorry, I made a big mistake. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, next one is this. Next one, it doesn't show on your picture, but I'm gonna explain to you. This is circle. This is the equilateral triangle inscribed in there. This is center. They say radius is 4. Radius is 4 right there. OR is 4. No, I'm sorry. OA is 4. Question is, what is the length of DE? Right here. What is length of this? Okay. So, OE, O to E is radius, right? So 4. Then, we got this angle, make sure this is 60. So we're gonna draw the line over there. This is gonna be angle 30, right? So our plan is OE minus OD will be DE. Okay? So we're gonna do sine over sine right there. Sine, we're gonna do sine angle. Sine 30 is 4 OD. Sine 30 is first part under, then OD, this length right there. So OD is 4 times sine 30. So 4 times sine 30 is 1 over half. So OD is 2. This length is 2. So what is this length? They say 4, radius is 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So TE is 4. The answer 2. As you know, this kind of things is if you have a good control, good command of a basic trigonometry, then you can achieve the high point. That is the point. Simple math, probably they're gonna, most people, even though they don't know the trigonometry, they're gonna score maybe 60% of math. But if you're adding trigonometry scale, you're gonna adding up easily 80% or 85, 90% easy. Okay. Also, this is very essential for your future. Every college, every university, you have to do trigonometry. Then you can jump to calculus. Okay, let's do this. Vocabulary: renegate, again. Negate, that means negative, something negative. So renegate, you have to memorize it. Reject it, just reject it, refuse the negative things. Abnegate is the same thing. Negate means negative, so abnegate is give up or something else. Something negative things. Probably this one, you memorize wreck, recognize, okay? You have to know something else. 이렇게 cognizant 이거 형용사예요. cognizant of, you know, familiar with, you know something of. Make sure you have to use the preposition of. Urgent. You know the urgent, compelling things, right? Cogent. Is it urgent, cogent? Cogent means, gent means drive or act. So cogent means compelling, irresistible. So compelling things. This is compelling, urgent, kind of compelling, have to do it. 이게 lucid. lucid는 lux에서 난 말이에요. 불의 밝기할적의 physics lux. 그래서 clear하다, bright하다. 그래서 lucid 하면 모든 게 다 clear하다, not susceptible, suspectable. perspicuous. 이것도 마찬가지로 spicuous는 spect. 여러분이 spectacle하다, spect 보다 그런 거 알죠? perspicuous. per는 throughout. 그러니까 전체적으로 다 잘 볼 수 있다. 그래서 클리어하다, 이렇게 클리어하다, 잘 보인다 그런 뜻입니다. 오케이? Thank you.